Thanks for dropping by to Gaz of All Trades. Today we're going to be making some beard oil. So the first part of this video is watching water boil. That's right, we're sterilising the bottles ready for making the oil. I'm putting the bottles and droppers into lukewarm water and then bringing it to the boil quite slowly. I do this to prevent any cracking or damage to the bottles. This is a pretty essential step as you don't want your oil spoiling. Now we're going on to an absolutely fantastic boiling and drying montage. Okay, first the carrier oils. There's sweet almond oil, this keeps inflammation at bay and helps with ingrowing hairs. Jojoba oil, similar to your own natural oils and easily absorbed. A bit of vitamin E just for the preservation. And here is just a selection of all the essential oils that we're going to use today. Here I'm using a 3mm plastic dropper. This is to measure the best I can. In this mix there is 24ml of sweet almond oil going in first of all. This is the main carrier oil in this mixture. The glass jars are amber to avoid any spoilage as it prevents UV light from passing through. Okay, here we're just giving the bottles a quick wipe down because of a small amount of spillage. And in with the jojoba oil. There is only 2ml of this going in, mainly because it's extortionately expensive. Vitamin E going in, mainly as an antioxidant to extend the shelf life of the oil. Only 4 small drops required. And now for the nice smelling bit. First up is the coffee essential oil. 20 drops of this. It's not the most potent oil and I don't want the others to mask it too much. That was the sandalwood going in, just 10 drops of that and just 1 drop of the Palmarosa oil. Now we're just giving it a good old shake to make sure all the components are well mixed together. Okay, now you've made your beard balm, time to apply it. For a beard this size I'd usually go for around 10 drops. Okay, massage it into your hands a little bit. Okay, and bring it down the sides. Get every single little bit of the beard, get your fingers in there. Just massage all the hair underneath. Can't neglect any single little bit of it. And in the end, this feels so good. And there's always going to be some on your hands there, so get your moustache there. Just makes it feel better. And if there is any left, doesn't really matter. It's a good moisturiser. It's good for any hair. There we go. Okay, so I will be making some more of the beard balms and oils in the future, using different techniques, using different flavours, using different essential oils. If it's sort of something that works, I will be putting it up on the blog. If you give this recipe a go, tell me how you get on. If you have any recipes of your own, just please comment below. Okay, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, the little button down there. If you like the content, yeah, give us a like and follow what we're doing here. Thanks.